Hi, I'm Nick. Today I'll be discussing Infineon's XMC 1100 bootkit and their 24-volt protected switch shield for Arduino. This video is actually the first video of a two-part video series discussing these semiconductor products from Infineon. During this video, I'll explain the technical aspects of the XMC 1100 bootkit and the 24-volt protected switch shield. In the second video, I will demonstrate how to switch on and off different loads, such as lights and fans. The XMC 1100 bootkit is an Arduino compatible baseboard using Infineon's XMC 1100 ARM Cortex M0 32-bit microcontroller. The 24-volt protected switch shield is an evaluation platform for testing Infineon's BTT 6020-1EKA and BTT 6030-2EKA smart high-side switches. The 24-volt protected switch shield comes fully assembled. However, due to cost reductions, the baseboard comes without pin headers assembled. But once you have selected and soldered these to the baseboard, no other additional assembly is required. And both the baseboard and the shield are Arduino compatible, meaning they include pin headers and screw holes in their PCBs, allowing for easy mounting to custom motherboards. The BTT 6020-1EKA and BTT 6030-2EKA ProFET 24-volt smart switches are ideal for home and building automation, in addition to 24-volt applications for commercial, construction, and agricultural vehicles. These ProFET switches are designed for controlling resistive, capacitive, and inductive loads. Both the BTT 6020-1EKA and the BTT 6030-2EKA are smart high-side power-protected switches and behave similarly to MOSFETs. The term high-side simply means a switch is placed between the supply and the load, as opposed to a low-side switch in which it is placed between the load and ground. An advantage of using a high-side switch is that when the switch is in the off state, the load is isolated from the supply. And because the wiring harness is also disconnected from the supply, there is no electrical galvanic corrosion, which results in a lower system cost due to reduced wiring repairs and replacements. The BTT 6020-1EKA is a single-channel part capable of loads up to 7 amps, while the BTT 6030-2EKA is a dual-channel part and designed for 4 amps per channel when both channels are active, or 6 amps for a single active channel. The switches are N-channel DMOS with integrated charge pumps, are PWM capable, and have inputs compatible with both CMOS and TTL. Keep in mind, however, the limited thermal performance of the 24-volt protected switch shield limits the recommended maximum current to 5 amps. Their integrated diagnostics include overtemperature, short circuit and open load detection, and an optional proportional current sensing of loads. Additionally, these switches have protections of current limit and short circuit shutdown, thermal shutdown, under and over voltage shutdown, loss of ground and loss of VBB, and fast inductive energy demagnetization. Infineon's XMC 1100 bootkit and 24-volt protected switch shield are great for home and building automation projects, including HVAC systems, indoor or outdoor lighting, garden watering, and automatically opening or closing windows, doors, and sunblinds. Or to take a different approach, you can control the internal electronics of machines such as elevators, refrigerators, sewing machines, lawn tractors, or robot lawnmowers. The combination of the Infineon XMC 1100 bootkit and the 24-volt protected switch shield is an easy-to-use platform for rapid development, evaluation, and testing of home and building automation applications for the Arduino user. For more information on these switches and other devices from Infineon, please visit Infineon.com. Now, please watch part 2 for a live demonstration.